What conversations do you think need to take place in order to make the relationship work after someone has cheated? Because I know you meet with couples and you do help repair relationships.
So I spent 10 years studying infidelity, wrote State of Affairs about it, and began to really. I have a list of 150 questions, really, that it wasn't just one. But I think the most important set of questions come from this distinction. Try not to go for the facts. Where were you? When did you do it? How often did you do it? Did you do it standing? Did you do it lying? Did you keep your clothes on? Did you bring them to the house?